Have you ever considered the power of rhythm? The way it syncs with our heartbeats, guides our footfalls, and even dictates the cadence of our speech? Welcome to the Rhythm Revolution. Picture a young artist named Jake, a boy who found his voice in the rhythm of the streets. Each day, he'd roam the city, headphones in, humming his own lyrics to the beat of the world around him. We follow Jake into the recording studio, where he meets Emma, his producer. Together, they create a symphony of words and beats, a unique blend of rhythm and rhyme that echoes through the air, capturing the essence of their experiences. As the music flows, Jake's world comes alive with dancers. Their bodies sway and spin, each movement a testament to the power of rhythm. It's a shared language, a universal truth that binds us all together. Now imagine Jake on a stage, in the midst of a rap battle. The tension is palpable as each artist uses their rhythm and rhyme to tell their story. It's a testament to the power of rhythm and the impact it can have on our emotions and perceptions. But the journey isn't always smooth. There are moments of self-doubt, periods of uncertainty. Yet it's within these moments that the true power of rhythm shines. It's a constant, a reliable friend that guides us through the darkest times. Back in the studio, Jake and Emma are hard at work, experimenting with new sounds. They're pushing boundaries, disrupting norms, all in the name of rhythm. It's a revolution, a shift in the way we perceive and experience music. In the midst of the chaos, Jake finds solace in the company of his friends. They share dreams and aspirations, their voices blending together in a rhythmic symphony of hope and ambition. The culmination of their efforts results in a stunning performance. The dancers return, their bodies moving in perfect sync with Jake's lyrics. It's an explosion of rhythm, a testament to their dedication and hard work. Finally, we see Jake standing on a rooftop, looking out over the city. He's made it, he's found his rhythm, and with it his voice. It's a moment of pure fulfillment, a testament to the power of rhythm. So remember the rhythm that guides us, that shapes our experiences and forms our identities. It's a powerful force, a universal language that connects us all. Welcome to the Rhythm Revolution.